This is a hypnosis session for manifesting wealth and abundance in your life. You can use it with the law of attraction. You can also use it just to tune your mind to look for opportunity and success. Before we begin, find a comfortable position where you can fully relax, free from any distractions. You can either sit or lie down, whichever feels best for you. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, let go of any tension in your body. This is your time to relax, to focus inward, and to connect with the limitless potential within you. Take another deep breath in and out. And with each breath, allow yourself to sink deeper into a state of calm and peace. Imagine a wave of relaxation washing over you from the top of your head down to your shoulders, your arms, your chest, your tummy, your legs, all the way down to your toes. And as you continue to breathe slowly and deeply, feel any remaining tension simply melting away. Now imagine a soft, warm light surrounding you, comforting and protective. This light represents your connection to the universe. This light represents your connection to infinite abundance. This light represents your connection to wealth that's waiting to flow into your life. And as you focus on this light, let your mind open to the possibility of all the good things that are ready to come to you. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more and more open to receiving abundance. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more and more open to receiving abundance. You're now entering a state of deep relaxation, where your subconscious mind is highly receptive to positive suggestions. This is the place where true change begins. Now I want you to imagine yourself standing in front of a beautiful door. This door represents the gateway to your most abundant and prosperous life. Notice the details of the door. Notice its color. Notice its texture. Feel a sense of excitement as you place your hand on the doorknob, knowing what lies beyond is everything you've ever dreamed of and more. And as you open the door, you step into a space filled with light, warmth, opulence. This is your world. This is your reality of abundance. Take a moment to really look around and notice what resonates with you. Maybe it's a luxurious home. Perhaps it's financial freedom, opportunities for travel, or the ability to give generously to others. Notice the things that are important to you today. Begin to see things more clearly. Begin to feel it deeply and know that it is yours. Imagine yourself enjoying this abundance, feeling the joy, feeling the security, feeling the freedom that comes with it. Picture yourself living this life every day with ease and confidence. You're worthy of all of this wealth, and it is flowing to you now. And as you continue to immerse yourself in this vision, repeat these affirmations either silently or out loud, letting each one resonate deeply within you. I am a magnet for wealth and abundance. I am a magnet for wealth and abundance. Money flows to me effortlessly and easily. I am open to receiving unlimited prosperity. I am open to receiving unlimited prosperity. I deserve to be financially free and secure. I deserve to be financially free and secure. Every day, I attract more and more abundance into my life. Every day, I attract more and more abundance into my life. Feel these affirmations become a part of your self-belief system, guiding your thoughts, actions, and decisions. You are a magnet for wealth and abundance. Money flows to you effortlessly and easily. You're open to receiving unlimited prosperity. You deserve to be financially free and secure. Every day you attract more and more abundance into your life. Feel these affirmations deeply, becoming a part of your belief system. Now take a moment to anchor these feelings of abundance in your mind and your body. Imagine a symbol or a word that represents wealth to you. When you receive a symbol or a word that represents wealth to you, see it clearly. And as you do, feel the energy of abundance growing stronger within you. Give it a color, give it a glow in your mind and in your body. This symbol is your personal anchor. Anytime you think of this symbol or word, you will instantly reconnect with the powerful feeling of wealth and prosperity that you're experiencing right now. Now it's time to slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. knowing that you are carrying this abundance with you, tuning your mind, your body, and your spirit in the right way. Take a deep breath in and out. Begin to feel the surface beneath you, moving your fingers and toes as you prepare to open your eyes. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes, coming all the way back, feeling refreshed and energized and aligned with wealth and abundance. Remember that you're a powerful creator, and you have the ability to manifest all the prosperity you desire. You can repeat this session as often as you want to reinvigorate these feelings of prosperity and wealth. As you go about your day, carry this feeling of abundance with you, knowing that the universe is working in your favor.